In commemoration of the 130th birthday of Felix Y. Manalo, the Church of Christ has shown a short film called Esperanza, a short or a love story. It was attended by many members and it was full house at Central Tabernacle last night. MJ Racardio reports.
Many moviegoers arrived at INC Tabernacle in Quezon City. Many were happy to watch this kind of programs approved by the church administration. The entire household of Ka Eduardo V. Manalo attended the FYM Legacy and welcomed by all the brethren. The FYM Legacy is a short film drama called Esperanza, ang matibay na panghawak sa aral, or strongly holding our faith. With this kind of activity, the Church of Christ members will surely edify their faith from visual media. In addition, INC members will give importance in the following church administration and submit to them at all times. Cast members Ruru Madrid and Ariel Roses were so thankful for choosing them to be included in Esperanza short film drama series.
Isa po ako ditong dating taga-sanlibutan na ngayon ay nakakilala siya ng isang napakagandang babae, which is nasa loob siya ng Iglesia ni Cristo. So alam naman po natin na bawal po yun, di ba? Alam po natin na bawal po ang ma-in love sa hindi po natin kapananampalataya. So ginawa po niya lahat ng paraan para po makuha po ang loob ni Esperanza at pumasok siya sa loob ng iglesia. Ganyan. So, doon po tatakbo po ang storya.
Si Esperanza, isa po siyang schoolmate ni Cesar, isa po siyang iglesia ni Cristo, at naninindigan po siya sa kanyang pananampalataya. Kaya kahit gaano kagwapo si Cesar, gaano katalino, hindi pa rin siya nagpatinag at talaga namang pinaglaban niya ang pananampalataya niya at pinili pa rin niya ang pagka-iglesia ni Cristo niya. Kaya nung nangligaw si Cesar, reject agad. After 5 years, ayun, saka na sila nakita ulit at nalaman niya na nga na Iglesia ni Cristo na si Cesar.
Dito masabi po talaga natin na dapat matuto po tayo magtanggi po ng sarili at mahalin po natin yung pagiging Iglesia ni Cristo po natin na kahit na po sino pa yan, kahit na gaano man kagwapo or kaganda man yan, kailangan talaga manindigan po tayo sa pananampalataya po natin.
This is MJ Racardio, and I am one with 25.